Hello everybody, this is Ethan with Ford's Power Sports. Jumping on here today to show you guys our universal no drill wiper. I'm going to show you how to install it, the parts you'll need, the tools you'll need, how to put it together. So to start off, you take your wiper and your wiper blade. You're going to pop this plastic piece up on the wiper blade like that. You're going to take the hook end of the wiper, slide it through here and into this groove on the top, just like that. Then you're going to snap this back down, and then we're going to go over to the bracket and take the bracket, have the open end facing away from you. Take the handle, slide the threaded end through the hole, and you're going to put on your rubber spacer and your metal spacer and then your nut to secure it. After you got that hand tight on there, come back to the wiper, flip this plastic piece up. You're going to take the smaller threaded portion of that handle and put it through the bottom like this. Go through the bottom there. Then you're going to take the nut, the last gold nut, tighten that down. You're going to take a size 10 wrench, hold the handle, just lightly tighten this down. Doesn't need to be crazy tight, just enough so it doesn't move. And you put the plastic piece back down. And then you got these two set screws. You're just going to put these through here. I like to tighten these down a bit farther, make it a little easier when you go to put it on the golf cart itself. And you just take an Allen wrench, tighten them down a little bit. Kind of loosen up, so it makes it a little easier when you go to put it on. Okay, and then so to install it onto the golf cart itself, you're going to take that open end, come up here, mount it onto the frame as high as you want it. Then you're just going to take these and tighten these set screws down so that it's where you want it. Do it tight enough so it doesn't move. This is why I suggest tighten them down a little bit before you get over here, just because it makes it a little easier. You're not constantly hitting the roof or anything like that. It's a little bit easier if the windshield is down on the top. If you can't do it down on the top, not a problem. You can just fling out the wiper so it's sticking straight out like this, and it's not so much in your way. After you got that on there tight, you can go back through, tighten this nut on this side, tighten the nut on this side, just so that when you're going back and forth, it's not moving at all.